Hello, hi, hello. Today's video is I will be making sound effects, lots of sound effects. If you are making a picture, a movie picture, you can use these sound effects if you cannot afford to buy real ones. Okay. The first sound effect is a man screaming. His frightened man. Maybe you are making a horror picture and you need a frightened man sound. Ah! The next sound effect is of a man who is running through the bushes. Maybe the man in the horror film is running away from the witch and has to go through the forest. Call the police! The next sound effect is kisses. Maybe you're making a romance picture and the lovers, they have met in the cafe, and they've ordered wedges, and the wedges made it a really romantic evening, and then they've gone back to her house, and she has an anime collection, and now they are watching One Piece while playing with her katanas, and they are kissing. That's an embarrassing one. The next sound is of eating cake. Maybe you're making a picture where there is a party and all the family is there and they are eating cake. Maybe you need some sounds of talking for the party. Don't touch me, Uncle Peter! I've got a knife! Ah! Ah! Thank you for using these sounds. If you use these sounds in your picture, then please credit me, because I work really hard for this. And if you are a girl and you watch these videos, then thank you for watching.